Are you looking for the best cordless routers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 4 best cordless routers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Makita Router Kit. The Makita RT0701C compact router is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for a wide range of applications. With its variable speed control dial, you can match the speed of the router to the application, and with its smooth rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system, you can make more precise settings. The slim and ergonomically designed body of the router provides increased comfort and control, and the quick-release cam lock system allows for easy depth adjustments and base removal/installation. The electronic speed control of the router maintains constant speed under load, and it also fits compact routers models RT0700C and RT0701C. At number 2, DeWalt Router. The DeWalt router is a great tool for anyone looking for a reliable and durable router. The variable speed control and soft starting motor make it easy to use, and the dual LEDs and clear subbase ensure maximum visibility. The adjustment ring enables controlled bit depth changes, and the large, low-pressure spindle lock button makes it easy to lock the router in place. The multiple shaft lock detents, depth ring, clamping mechanism, and spring-loaded release tabs make it easy to change the depth of the router, and the aluminum motor housing and base construction provide long-term durability. The DeWalt router comes with a motor, standard base, wrench, and instruction manual, and it's covered by a 1-year limited warranty. At number 3, Towelmark Router. The wood trimmer router is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for a variety of woodworking applications. It is made of high-quality materials and is designed for durability and comfort. The all-copper motor provides enough power for wiring and fine-tuning applications. The transparent cover controls the flying wood chips, while processing conditions can be clearly observed. The package includes linear guides, trimming guides, wrenches, sample guides, adjustable buttons, quick switch buttons, and other accessories. The router head can be tightened with a wrench. This electric trimming machine is widely used in wood processing, cabinet processing, and handcraft production. It accesses to materials like plastic sheeting and wood veneer, working for chamfering, grooving, surface finishing, curve cutting, wood edges planning, patterns processing, and other DIY activities. At number 4, Dobetter Wood Router. The TacLife Palm Router is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for a variety of routing and trimming applications. The 6.5 amp motor and 1.25 horsepower make it plenty powerful, while the soft starting and constant power features help to prevent the router from jumping around in your hand, giving you much better control. The router also comes with a 12-piece wood router bit set, an edge guide, a roller guide, a dust hood, a wrench, and carbon brushes, making your job much easier. The smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system provides more precision cutting, and the router is graduated in both clear inch and depth scales for easy reading. The 6 variable speed settings, 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, make it perfect for different materials, and the quick-release cam lock system makes depth adjustments and base removal/installation a breeze. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.